Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a word that is as warm and meaningful as it is essential: appreciation. This is a C1 level noun that means gratitude or value. It's a word that carries depth and positivity, perfect for expressing those moments when we recognize something truly special. Let's start with the meaning of appreciation. It can refer to feeling thankful for something, like when someone helps you, or valuing something for its importance, quality, or worth. For instance, you might say, "I have a deep appreciation for all the support I've received," or "his appreciation for fine art is evident in his collection." Now, let's explore some synonyms for appreciation. Words like gratitude, recognition, and acknowledgement carry similar meanings. For example, instead of saying, "I feel appreciation for my teacher's hard work," you could say, "I feel gratitude for my teacher's hard work." Another sentence might be, "Her efforts deserve recognition, as she went above and beyond." Of course, every word has its opposites, so let's look at antonyms of appreciation. Words like disregard, indifference, or neglect show a lack of gratitude or value. For instance, if someone doesn't notice the effort you've put into a task, you might say, "Their indifference to my work was disappointing," or "He treated the gift with complete disregard." In everyday life, appreciation can be expressed in countless ways. You might say "thank you" to show your appreciation for a kind gesture, or write a heartfelt message to express your appreciation for a friend's support. We also hear this word in phrases like "a token of appreciation," which is a small gift or gesture to show gratitude, or "gain an appreciation for something," which means to start valuing or understanding it more deeply. Here are a few more examples of appreciation in action. She showed her appreciation for the meal by leaving a generous tip. His appreciation of nature grew after spending a week hiking in the mountains. The teacher expressed her appreciation for the students' hard work with a smile. That's all for today's episode on appreciation. I hope you've enjoyed learning about this meaningful word and how it can enrich your vocabulary. Thank you for spending time with me here on Hello Word. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support really helps others find the show. I'd also love for you to get involved by creating your own sentence using appreciation and sharing it as a comment. Let's spread a little gratitude together. Until next time, take care and keep learning.